Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and right now we're going to do our daily stock update on the stocks that I've talked about before. So the first stock I want to talk about is NIO Lithium Corp, NLC. I made a video about these guys yesterday, and since that video, they are up 9%. But with that being said, this is a long-term hold that I have, so these daily price movements don't really mean too much to me. So we are not going to be looking at NLC regularly. This is something that I will keep you guys up to date on either weekly or monthly. But again, it was nice to see the stock go up after I made the video. I would rather have this stock lower so I could personally buy more shares, but it did go up. It is what it is, but NLC is a long-term hold, and that's all I'm going to mention with that. So back to routine, we're looking at TSNP on the 30-minute time frame. And again, nothing really crazy here with this one. Overall markets were down. TSNP was down about 3.3%. We are still trading within the wedge. I have a end date to the wedge on January 14th, which is next Friday. So we will see where this one goes. Again, I said be patient. Watch this line of support here at about 10.8 to average down or get in. But as of right now, we are still in the wedge. We are still ping-ponging. That is TSNP on the 30-minute time frame. Next stock we're going to be looking at is GOEV, Canoo stock on the daily. And another day, another support line broken for Canoo. This stock has been in free fall. There have been no buyers to step in on this one. This stock has been just bloody red. Another day in the market, another 10% down for Canoo. So we did tag this line of support and we did bounce off, which is a okay sign. But again, when you have no green coming into these charts, it does not look good. GOEV is still a falling knife, again down today 9%. Next stock we're looking at is BLOZF, Cannabis Technologies on the 30-minute time frame. Today we were just hugging support the entire trading day. So for the last 3 trading days, we have seen just hugging of this support line. We are currently sitting right above this line of support that I have marked out, and in this channel also goes until about the 14th. So I'm looking to see where we go for the next 2 weeks in this channel. Again, I have a position here at around 66 cents. I have a stop loss here at 63 cents. So I am watching this one quite closely. If we do break to the downside, I will cut my losses on this one and I will move on to the next stock. But I do have hopes for this to come back to the top of this channel and then eventually break out. But that is yet to be seen. But that is Cannabis Technology. We were down about 5% today. Next stock we're looking at is RDGL on the hourly. So we had a beautiful day to start off the week for RDGL. Last week we closed above this channel and then we just followed up by having a monstrous day today, up 42%. So those of you who did get in at that 9 cents mark, congratulations to you guys. I still believe this stock has a little bit more room to run before we get the results back from FDA. And then depending on what FDA says, this could either shoot back to the moon or we could see some more consolidation. So I'm personally hoping for an approval from FDA, but until then, I am still seeing a pre-anticipatory run, which is what we are seeing right now. RDGL, beautiful day today, up 42%. And so I'm going to start including NIO as well into these charts because there are a lot of eyes on NIO. So I'm looking at NIO on the hourly, and we have a longer term wedge pattern that I have identified earlier, but then we have a shorter term pattern right here, which we did test today. We bounced off of support, we gapped up today, and then we broke over this trend line. We broke back down and now we are sitting right above this trend. We did see buyers step off the gas when we broke this line of resistance. Like I said in the last video, we are going to need a catalyst. We're going to need a lot more volume to push this higher. With NIO Day coming up, it can go either way. There is a lot of hype anticipation for this day. And usually when that happens, and usually when we see a run up to that moment, stock prices usually go down. I am still quite cautious on NIO. So I want to see if we can hold this line of support. If we don't, we will test the bottom line here of support. But if we do test this and we do break off with momentum, expect new highs for NIO. So again, this is just our daily update on the stocks that I'm looking at, stocks that you might be looking at. If you guys like this update, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I will see you guys in the next one.